time, long ago and far away, there lived a little cat with a little boy and a little grandma and no money. Everyone was very, very poor.
And very, very hungry.
The little boy was sent off to sell the family cow so that they might have some food.
Our prize Holstein will fetch some big bucks at the market.
Rightly, kid, that old cow ain't worth nothing. But since you're a new customer, I'll give you a break. I'm gonna trade you some magic beans for that worthless cow.
Magic beans?
These magic beans will bring you great fortune. You'll be rich. They've already made me a wealthy man.
Well,
Then it's a deal. Oh, you sweet talk me into it. Come on, cow. So long, kid.
You traded a prize Holstein for a few beans?